Hey guys, what's up? Thomas here, and I just wanted to share with you a quick tip on how to get design work when you have no experience. So if you are new to designing, whether it's in architecture, interior design, landscape, or really any type of design field, I think this principle works. And that is to get yourself started, to get going, get some experience, get some jobs. One of the things you can do to launch your career is to do some free work. Did I just say free? Are you serious? Am I telling people to do free work? How's that going to make you money? Well, it absolutely can make you money, and I'm going to tell you why you should do it and how you can make money by doing that. So if you're new, you don't have experience, you don't have a track record, nobody really knows whether they can trust you in a job or anything like that. So if you do a free job for someone, that's going to help build your confidence as a designer in your own capabilities, your own skills. Because even if you've been trained, even if you've been kind of doing some I don't want to say fake, but not real projects, that you have in your portfolio. You have good design work, but you don't have any real work that you've done for an actual client. That's what you want. You need that to build your confidence. So do a job for someone. Maybe it's a small remodel, maybe just a little kitchen remodel, or some interior design stuff, or just a small remodel to a house. Don't do something too big. Just do something that you feel like this is a good job that I could get my feet wet, and do it for someone. Maybe it's a friend, maybe it's just someone you want to network with. Offer to do it for free. Be like, hey, I can remodel that for you. There's going to be no charge. Now, again, obviously you value your time, you value your work. Your work is it's absolutely worth something. It's worth something to the client. But if you're just starting out in this, what's more valuable than just getting a one-time payday on a job is getting a good referral, getting someone that will recommend you to someone else. So if you do a job for someone for free, my recommendation is that you tell that person, hey, I'm going to do this job for you. I'm going to do this job for you. I'm not going to charge you. Don't tell people that I did it for you for free, but if you feel like I did a good job, please refer me to someone else down the road. And they will absolutely do that if you do a good job for them. So it's a win-win situation. You're winning by getting someone that's going to market for you, and people pay thousands for marketing services. So right here, you're going to get someone that will be marketing for you for free. Why? Because you did an awesome job for them for free. Again, now they're not going to be marketing that point. They're just going to say, hey, yeah, this guy did his job for me. This lady did his job for me, and they did a fantastic job. You should absolutely hire them. So that's why doing a free job can turn into cash money for you. It has for me. I did a free job for someone, and a while later, that person referred me to someone else, who also referred me to someone else. It's just kind of like a snowball effect, and I made thousands off of those future referrals that I got from that guy. So doing free work can absolutely launch your career. It can help you to gain that confidence that you need when you're just starting out. And another point that I will say is, don't do more than one free job for the same person. Why did I say that? Well, because if you did a free job for someone and they're happy with the work that you did, well, and if they come back to you, that means they like what you did. They see a value in it, and you're not in the business of doing free work. So just, with all respect, just say, hey, I appreciate you, coming back. I'd love to do this job for you. This would be my fee for this next job that you want me to do. And if they were happy with your work, absolutely, I think they'll pay it. So, and if not, well, then move on to the next one. Don't worry about it. Again, they know you did a good job. If they hear someone down the road, they will refer you to that person. So, so there you have it. Just a quick, easy way to get started as a designer in any type of design business, whether it's architecture, interior design, graphic design, whatever, that concept still works. The same thing like when you're going through a supermarket or a restaurant, sometimes they give you a sample of the food. Why do they do that? Well, in hopes that they get you hooked, you like it, and they can upsell you later. So anyways, quick, easy way to get started in design. Hope you like this video. If you have, click that like, give me that thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to this channel, because in the near future I'm going to be coming out with a course on design for those of you who are wanting to get into this freelance design work, or just working on your own as an entrepreneur. I'm going to show you how you can get into doing some of this design work. So thanks, and I'll see you next time.